Today, for the Bitcoin price, we find ourselves in a situation where the price is approaching and surpassing the 200-day moving average in that exact moment. We will talk about specific price targets, namely 9,400, and also about the time frame for that and a possible pump. But before we do that, before we pull up the charts and also go into the Maya multiple and other crazy stuff, we want to ask the most important question of today. You know it already, but Carl, how are you doing today, my man?
I am feeling fantastic. How are you doing today?
It's amazing. Korea has been treating us very, very well. Amazing networking events. But now let's go straight into the content and see what's going on, because the volume is increasing again a little bit. The people get excited because of the 200-day moving average. So may you share your own thoughts about that? Are we going to pump further? Will we get rejected? And what are your specific price targets in the immediate short term for Bitcoin?
Yes. So okay. The 200 daily, that's no secret. We have looked at that so much, and we are right now testing it. That is something that we can see right there. Something I wanna go into the 1 hour and just quickly show you something that I have been talking about for the past few days over on my channel, and that is the fact that if we pull out the RSI, you know what? Let's just use this chart instead, and we do that. And yeah, so on the 1 hour time frame, let me start off right there. We have a bullish divergence that happened right there. As you can see, this is on the 1 hour, and also in fact you can see that this low is lower than the previous one, so this is in fact also a bullish divergence if you connect these points, which means that we do indeed have a bullish sign. And right now we are testing these previous highs, which rejected Bitcoin before we came down and made this kind of a double bottom formation, honestly. So there are a few signs in the short term that do show strength in Bitcoin, and that's why I've been talking about the fact that I do think that a bounce could happen. But the most important signal that I think we can find in the chart right now.
You love it, but it's so accurate. It
is in fact
EMA weekly ribbon.
Exactly. So the weekly EMA ribbon, as you can see right here, is in fact right now showing us that the Bitcoin price was not able to come down and break the bottom support. As you can see, we got a very nice bounce off of the lows. And the bigger question is, of course, will we see a bigger continuation off of this? And that's what we're going to have to see. And that's why I want to see, of course, the 200 daily get broken.
Yes.
That will be the important part. And that is pretty much exactly what I feel right now. That's my analysis.
Yeah, we have been talking about that also over on our channel, like where you are right now. And we would have loved to see the Bitcoin price surpassing the 200-day moving average within the last week. But it is fine. It is actually a very bullish sign that we are approaching it right now. And this is also pretty bullish. So let's see if that can hold. And also what we wanted to talk about is the 200-day moving average itself and an indicator which is derived from that. Everyone who is on our channel who knows that already, we were talking about that for a long time, and this is the Maya multiple. This is derived, for example, if you can see that number here right there, 1.17, that means that the price at that particular moment was 1.17 times the 200-day moving average. So if it was at 1,800, it's 1,800 times 1.17. So we find ourselves right now still below, slightly below the 200-day moving average for right now. It's even 4 days, and that many people say that's very bearish. Many people say that's a sign of us entering a bear market. But if we go a little bit back in time to 2013, for example, we were already 2 days below the 200-day moving average within a bull market. So this is maybe just something like a shakeout period to shake out some weak hands and just to settle up for the next pump. I don't want to seem like a irrational moon boy here, but this is actually what we can see right now, because if that would be up to date, we would find ourselves here approaching the red line and going above. And looking at the green line, we can see back in 2013, we were below, we were shaking out some weak hands. And after getting above it again, we had a major pump, which was even higher afterwards. Everyone knows what happened. We approached like 1,300 in the end of 2013, and then Mt. Gox came. So that's actually pretty bullish in a bearish scenario.
I think that's interesting, because that actually does play very well with my EMA ribbon theory,
Exactly,
if we do get this bounce, it's actually very nice. So let's see.
So that's good to see. And then there's something else which looks on the first sight a little bit bearish, because we were below the SOPR. This is the spend output profit ratio, which means always when we are above this horizontal line here, it means that the majority of traders in the immediate short term are trading in a loss. This is pulled out from the on-chain fundamental data. And usually in a bull market, we only wick below for 1 or 2 days. So this were multiple days, but in fact we saw the exact same thing also in 2013, and this acted as one last huge shakeout period before the Bitcoin price was able to go more to the upside for good. And this one is also always 1 day delayed. It's studio.glassnode.com, and we will find tomorrow probably the line being above 1 again, as the price is also approaching the 200-day moving average. So it is on the first sight very bearish. If you look at it in a historical perspective, it is actually pretty bullish. So right now, Carl, you have been talking about that. The Bitcoin price was just rejected here from the lower end of the EMA weekly ribbon. It is fighting with the 200-day moving average. What is your price target right now? So in case we are able to continue that bullish movement in the short term, what prices are you looking out for right now?
Yeah, so of course we have if we do break above the 200 daily moving average, personally that's where I go very bullish, technically, and both short term and longer term. Actually, I think that this is a longer term thing more than a short term thing. And I would say that probably if you just take a look at the previous lows up here, this would probably be the first major resistance to look at. And what I would be I would probably call that the 9.4 to 9.5k level. So let's say 9.5 actually. That seems to be where these lows seem to have the most traded volume.
Yes, so 9.4, 9.5k, everyone watching right now, let us know in the comment section down below. Are you more bullish? Are you more bearish? We had a lot of bearish comments recently, but right now as the price seems to go green, maybe more people will agree to us finally. Let us know in the comment section down below what you think about that. Make sure you smash up the like button, and now there is a very important call to action. There is one amazing channel besides DaVinci J15 and MMCrypto. This channel is called The Moon. Go over to his channel, it's also in the description. Make sure you subscribe to it, it's amazing content. Check it out and smash the like button on that video. Actually, the likes are for free and we get so much pleasure from it. So please guys, if you want to do something, smash the like button. Also, one last thing, we have a Bible collaboration. You know, it's like $60. Click the link below if you want it. 60 seconds, $60. And also you can get like additionally $200 bonus. You will find all the information on their website. It's on top of the pinned comment, just above the link of his amazing channel. So make sure you check it out. Also, a Bible tutorial is popping up right there. No, right there actually, besides his lovely face. So make sure you click it. And we will see each other very, very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.